In his book Atomic Habits, James Clear outlines a step-by-step guide to building better habits and breaking bad ones. Here are the top 5 life lessons we can learn from his work. Lesson 1, start small and focus on the process. Clear emphasizes the importance of starting small and focusing on the process of building habits, rather than just the end result. By breaking down big goals into smaller, more manageable steps, we can build momentum and make progress towards our larger goals. Lesson 2, make it easy to succeed. Clear also stresses the importance of making it easy to succeed. By removing barriers and making good habits more convenient, we can increase the likelihood of sticking to them. For example, if you want to start running in the morning, lay out your workout clothes the night before and set your running shoes by the door. Lesson 3, focus on the process, not the outcome. Another key lesson from Atomic Habits is to focus on the process, not just the outcome. By placing our attention on the daily habits and routines that lead to success, we can create lasting change in our lives. Lesson 4, create an environment that supports your goals. Clear also emphasizes the importance of creating an environment that supports our goals. If we want to eat healthier, we should stock our fridge with nutritious foods. If we want to read more, we should keep a book by our bedside table. By making our environment work for us, we can make it easier to build good habits. Lesson 5, small habits lead to big results. Finally, one of the biggest takeaways from Atomic Habits is that small habits lead to big results. By consistently showing up and putting in the work, we can achieve incredible things over time. By following these lessons and implementing the strategies outlined in Atomic Habits, we can create lasting change and live a better life.